So I have a bit of an issue. I wore these white shoes to a concert. And now they actually got totaled at the concert, and I tried to wash them. They came out yellow, and what do? So I have an idea. I've never seen this done before. It's probably been done, but I'm gonna try it my own way. I took the laces out. I put these like shells inside of them so the shoes stay like nice. I'm gonna tape them up nicely so that the rubber is taped over. I'm gonna clean the rubber before I do that, and I have this spray paint that I used on a project a while back, but it's just been sitting around, and I thought, it's white spray paint, why not try and bring new life to my white shoes? So let's time lapse and see if we can get these shoes taped and cleaned. So now what I've done is I've taken the shoe and I've wrapped the entire sole of the shoe in tape. So when I spray paint the shoe, none of the rubber will be affected by the spray paint, only the canvas. I don't even know if the spray paint is going to stick to the canvas, in all honesty, because it's meant for plastic, frames, stuff like that. What's it? I don't know. Metal, wood, plastic, and more. So hopefully the more is canvas. But I hope these start looking nice and white once I put spray paint onto them. Let's do it. I'm just gonna finish up the other shoe real quick, but you don't need to see that.
So I'm out here, we got this spray paint, whatever it is. I got some bad pants on because I don't know which way the wind's going. Actually, come over this way, I don't want you to get hit, so. Alright, so let's give it a go. It's not like perfectly white. It's kind of off-white. Not angry. I mean, it's doing a good job of covering up everything. It's doing a decent job of covering it up. I haven't hit this side yet. You can see all like the dirt marks and everything still along the side there. And then when you look at the toe, there was a ton of marks there. There's still a bit of mark there, but for the most part, like the tips of these shoes aren't looking that bad. How did this happen? How'd that even happen? And I should have brought a bag to put the shoes in. Now I'm gonna get my hands full of spray paint walking back. They actually look pretty good. The spray paint put a bit of a texture on it, which I'm not loving, but I mean, once I peel the tape off the rubber, it shouldn't look too bad together. I don't know, we'll see how it goes.
Alright, so it's like a little bit later, maybe an hour and a half later, and they're pretty much dry. I'm gonna start taking the tape off and I'm gonna see how that goes. I got a bag here for all the garbage, so let's take this out. Still a little bit wet, but I mean, they're gonna be fine. Yeah, just a little bit wet, but that's fine. So I'm gonna take out the hockey tape. Yeah, so the hockey tape's to make sure no spray paint gets on the inside, as well as those plastic bags. So let's take that all out. It looks pretty good around the edges so far. Now let's start getting at the tape. I'm hoping this comes off. I'm thinking that the shoe's gonna be a little whiter than the rubber at this point. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe vice versa. Look, that's good. This looks good. Alright, let's take the tape off.
Kiss the good life, good. Kiss the good life.
Well, the only thing that is still a little wet are the eyelets on it because they're metal. They're not drying the same way. But I mean, they're still good enough that I could lace through it. So when I did it, you can kind of see in person, probably not on camera, that the tongue, I didn't get the entire thing. So on the edges, it's still like regular canvas white. Feeling it right now, the spray paint like stiffened it quite a bit. So I'm hoping when I wear them, they're not gonna crack. But I mean, they still look white, which is a lot. They look a lot better than they did initially. So I'm gonna go ahead and lace these things up, and then I'll give you a look at them on body. Alright, now that we're all laced up, I'll give you a quick cinematic and then I'll put them on with an outfit. Let's go.